Welcome to Million Dollar Monday. Sorry. London market update for August. Look, you guys, I did my best. COVID's keeping me out of London, so I brought London to you. Here you go. But before I get into the numbers, I want to tell you why it is at Monarch, and for myself, Laura Dowdy, as the broker, why we provide you all of these continental US market updates as well as London. For us, as real estate concierge, it's absolutely vital that we stay tapped in to what is going on to the market, not only in a hyper-local market focus position, but also from a more global position, because you can see better and forecast better as to what's going on. Because when investors are having issues in London, they're going to be having issues in New York and LA and cities like that as well. So it is absolutely a part of the whole. What affects one eventually affects another. It's just a matter of timing. It helps us stay ahead of the curve and prepare you for what's coming ahead. All right, so let's get to the numbers for London. Here we go. The UK housing market is stronger than it has been in 5 years as people rush to arrange their living arrangements in the wake of the pandemic. The number of agreed to sales is 76% higher than the 5-year average, with strong activity at the higher end driving deals in and around London. Strong activity in the luxury segment is helping boost average sales price as affluent families feel less financial impact from the lockdown from earlier this year. A wave of higher end listings have driven up the average asking price by 8% compared to last year. In London, prices rose 2.1% compared to this time last year, and that growth marks a significant turnaround for the city. Demand is particularly strong for 3-bedroom properties, which are selling in only 24 days. Meanwhile, even larger homes with 4 or 5 bedrooms are trading in 33% faster than in 2019. For Greater London, the average price is $750,000 US, and the monthly change for that is up 0.6%, where the annual change is down 4.9%. The average time to sell, which in the US we call average days on market, is 49 days. In London, properties sold for the year to date are down just 3%, with a 2-speed market in play. There is strong activity in outer London, especially for the top of the ladder homes, while areas like Zone 1 are finding it more challenging, where sales are down by 14% for the whole year to date compared to the same period last year. The strong activity in outer London has helped the capital to climb back to being the second fastest region for the average time taken to secure a buyer, now being beaten only by Scotland at 35 days. The average number of days to sell in London is now 49 days, a significant 20 days shorter than at this time last year. Nationally, the average time to secure a buyer has dropped from 62 days in August 2019 to 53 days for August of 2020. That is your London August market update. And if you would like more information about what is going on in the market within the continental US, then be sure to tune in to our Experiment podcast. You can find that on iTunes, Stitcher, and Google Play, as well as you can go to theexperimentpodcast.com, where every Monday we bring you the Million Dollar Monday market update, as well as a more expanded version of what's going on in the market for the past week. So you're up to date every week. And if you would like your own personal marketing report, by all means, go to lauradowdy.com/market reports. Or feel free to comment below or DM me, and I'll be happy to help you however I can. Thank you so much for tuning in to our Million Dollar Monday market update. And next week, we'll start back in Malibu and give you the update for what's been going on in the market for the month of September. Can you believe it? We're headed into the final 4th quarter. Let's go get it, you guys. Have an awesome Monday. Have a $1 million week.